let's add the pages to the album. Whoops. So got my pages. Always just check your pages, make sure that they are neat and tidy. Once they're in your album, it's going to be really difficult to do any cleaning up or fixing. And like I said to you earlier, they are handmade, but you can also cut off little excess pieces before you stick them in. Okay, so this is my first one that's going in, and I am going to just try it against the hinge. Okay, and I'm happy with the fit, so I am going to pick up my blue Tombow, and I'm going to remove the tape from just one side. I'm going to take my Tombow. Gosh, it feels like forever that I've made one of these hinged albums. And then I'm going to slide it over, put that blue Tombow on, because then it will give me a little bit of wiggle room. Just make sure it's nice and straight, and then apply a bit of pressure. Okay, first page done. And I see that I could have, I don't know if I can get that over a little bit. Second page, we're going to do exactly the same. I'm going to line it up with the back. Because this one is up a little bit, I would ideally prefer that to be a little bit down. Remove the red tape. Apply your bead of Tombow. Add your page. Line it up with the back page and then stick down. So we have 2 of our 3. Check that it fits. Remove the release paper from the red release paper. Make sure it lines up before sticking down. And you're going to turn it to the back. And just pop your knife in under the release paper, pull it out and stick down. The reason I do it this way is if you make a mistake, you're only having to deal with removing tape from one side. And we have our base album complete. I think you can see there. And it pretty much is almost like a book, which is what I wanted it to look like.